In this video, I'm going to share my step-by-step process which helped me to decide that it's time for me to retire from the corporate world. What is up, everyone? My name is David Dance. Welcome to my channel. I'm so super excited to be here with you today with another video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. In this video, I'm not going to talk about how much money is needed for retirement. Everybody's situation is different. Once I was financially secured, my biggest challenge was to find the right time to retire. I was working at a wonderful company. Everybody was super friendly. I got along with people well, and I really enjoyed it. But there are many other important things in life that I was missing out on. After going back and forth in my thinking process several times, I sat down and made a list of the positive things I will achieve if I retire, and also the positive things if I continue to work. You can say I'm an engineer, and I love my checklist. At the end of this process, I found 15 positive things I will achieve if I retire versus 4 positive things if I continue to work. After this exercise, my decision was very easy. First, let me talk about the 15 positive things I will achieve if I retire. Number 1, I can schedule my own time, days, and weeks. I have full flexibility on that. However, I still believe in time management. This makes my life more purposeful and more meaningful. Number 2, I have more time to pursue my hobbies and other interests. And believe me, I have lots of them. Retirement hobbies can take different forms and shapes. The challenge is to find the right retirement hobbies. Number 3, I'm a big fan of the stock market, and now I have more time to do market research and manage my investment portfolios. I employ several investment strategies to generate income and grow my portfolio over the longer term. Number 4, more opportunities for travel at any time on my own schedule. It can be a day trip or a short trip or a long trip, and now have more time to plan and research. Number 5, more time for exercise, healthy diet, and overall well-being. Walking, cycling, yoga, and elliptical trainer are my favorites. It also helps me to stay mentally fit. Number 6, this is a big one, daily commute time. I was spending about an hour every day commuting back and forth to work. And I was feeling like I was wasting this precious hour every day. If you think about it, so 5 hours a week, and if you consider 48 working weeks per year, that's 240 hours, which is 10 days sitting in the car doing nothing every year. And if you talk about money, that's more scary. Say, for example, I spend $2,000 on my car. That includes gas, insurance, normal wear and tear, and maintenance. If you invest that $2,000 per year in an index fund for 40 years, that grows to over $1 million. I made a video on the index fund, and there is a link in the description box below. Number 7, more time for learning and researching new things. I'm learning new skills every day, whether it is on animation, video editing, graphics design, YouTube videos, website design, writing, or finding new investment strategies, just to name a few. Number 8, I have more me time. I can read a book, listen to a music, go for a walk, do some gardening, take some power naps, listen to a podcast, drink some coffee or tea, make these YouTube videos, things I'm enjoying in my me time. Number 9, spend more time with family and friends. I can honestly say that I'm more socially connected now than when I was working. It is a source of emotional support and adds a personal value and meaning to my life. Number 10, enjoying my home and my garden. Actually, I bought a bigger house with a bigger backyard after I retired, so I can enjoy it more as I will be there for the most part of the day. Gardening, watering plants, mowing lawn helps me keep healthier and happier. There is no substitute of sunshine and fresh air. It also helps me burn calories and keep me mentally fit. Number 11, more time to mentor and volunteer. Hopefully, I'm able to teach, motivate, and inspire a few people. It makes me feel good and increase the social interactions. No work-related stress. There will be other stresses in life, but I have eliminated one of them, which was a big one. According to StatsCan, 62% of the workers say work is the main source of stress. The next big one is stress related to finance, which has been reported by only 12% of working Canadians. Number 13, no pressure of deadlines and deliverables. Although I believe deadlines are important in every phases of life, a constant source of stress from deadlines hamper productivity and affects other aspects of life. Number 14, you only live once. The truth is, life is too short. We need to make each day count. Lewis Carroll has rightfully said, in the end, we only regret the chances we did not take. Number 15, I'm free from the drug of career ambition. I do not have to worry if I get promoted, if I have a salary increase, if I get a bonus, if I have a better title, if I get a corner office with a bigger window. I don't have to worry about anything. All these heavy weights have been lifted from my shoulders. I'm so happy about them. Now I will talk about 4 positive things if I continue to work. Number 1, it's a no-brainer. There will be a fixed source of income. Number 2, I will receive the employee benefits package. Number 3, I will have more interactions with colleagues, clients, and business partners. I can also attend different corporate events. Number 4, there will be more opportunity for continuous professional development, which I think is also very important. In summary, these are the 15 positive things I will achieve if I retire, and these are the 4 positive things if I continue to work. As 15 is more than 4, this analysis helped me to make a decision to retire from work, and I did it. Okay, I have finished this video. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.